InstaMAT's UI is designed to keep you focused and productive. It only shows you what you need when you need it. A good example of this is with the input pins on a node in the canvas. When you bring in a node, only prioritized inputs are shown on the node itself. But what happens when you like to access other inputs a node has to offer? Let's take a look at what you can do. Okay, so I'm going to bring in a tile scatter node into the canvas, and you can see right away that we have two image inputs available to us. So what we can do is we can click on the expand button here, and that's going to reveal more inputs to the tile scatter node. Now, if you know the tile scatter node, you know that there are a lot more input parameters available to us. Now, why can't we see them? Well, that's because the tile scatter node is using something called visX, or visibility expressions. And what that allows us to do is hide or show parameters based on if a given condition or expression is true. So an example of this is if I go to the pattern dropdown here and I change the pattern count from 1 to 2, we can see now that the image2 input has presented itself. Now it's always been there, but it's been hidden because the visibility expression said that we would only show that input if the pattern count is 2. And so the inputs on the node are always going to mirror the inputs or the parameters that you can see in the graph object editor. So now what if we want to expand and show all of the inputs available to us on the tile scatter node, even if they are hidden? Well, we can do that by using a modifier key. So if I collapse this, I can use the modifier key, which is Command or Control, and click on the expand button. And now we can see all of the inputs available to us for the tile scatter node. And you can see why using visibility expressions allows InstaMAT to streamline the user experience. Now here's another quick tip. What if I want to connect this count input to the tile scatter, but I can't currently see the input pin? Well, you could expand it here and connect it this way, but there's an even faster way to do that. What I can do is I can left click and drag the connection out and then hold over the expand button to reveal the parameter, and then I can connect it this way, and then it's automatically going to collapse and make everything nice and neat again. Now you can also use the modifier hotkey here as well. So if I left click and drag and hold Command or Control, I can now hover over the expand button and it's going to expand all of them, and then I can make my connection. Another way to expand the parameters of a node is by using the hotkey Shift and Spacebar. You can see I can toggle this back and forth, and this is really useful because if I hold Shift and left click and drag to select multiple nodes, I can use that hotkey Shift and Spacebar to expand both of them at the same time. You can use those input pins to make node connections, but you can also use them to expose inputs and outputs using Quick Search. If you're interested in learning more about that, check out our Quick Search Quick Tip video, as well as the many other videos on our YouTube channel. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaMAT, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.